Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best polarizing filters for camera lenses that are available on the market for their true quality. These filters can take your photography game to the next level by enhancing colors, reducing glare, and improving contrast. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Altura Photo 58mm Lens Filter Kit. This kit includes 3 filters, a UV protector, a CPL polarizer, and an ND4 neutral density filter. It's a fantastic starter kit for photographers who want versatility without breaking the bank. The CPL filter in this set is great for reducing glare and enhancing colors, especially in outdoor photography. The added bonus of the UV and ND filters makes this a well-rounded package. The design of the filters is solid, with the use of optical glass for better image quality. The kit also includes a padded protective pouch, which is a thoughtful addition for photographers who travel frequently. However, the filters are not water-resistant, which might be a drawback for outdoor shoots in unpredictable weather. Performance-wise, the CPL filter does a good job of enhancing contrast and reducing reflections. But it's not as effective as some higher-end options. This kit is ideal for beginners or hobbyists who want a budget-friendly way to experiment with different types of filters. The value proposition is strong, but the CPL filter's performance is slightly overshadowed by the lack of water resistance and the inclusion of other filters that may not be as specialized. Pros include versatility and value for money, while cons are the average build quality and non-specialized focus on the CPL filter. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basic Circular Polarizer Camera Lens Filter. As the most affordable option on our list, this filter provides excellent value for money. It's designed to reduce glare and enhance the intensity of blue skies, making it a great choice for landscape photography. With over 22,000 reviews, this product has proven itself as a reliable entry-level option for photographers. The design is basic, as you'd expect at this price point, with a plastic build that keeps costs down. While it lacks advanced coatings, the filter still performs admirably in outdoor conditions. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners. However, the lack of water resistance and multi-coating means it's not ideal for more demanding shoots. If you're just starting out or need a budget-friendly polarizer for occasional use, the Amazon Basics filter is hard to beat. It's not the most durable or feature-rich option, but it gets the job done at a fraction of the cost. Pros include affordability and ease of use, while cons are the plastic build and lack of advanced features. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the K&F Concept 58mm Circular Polarizer Filter. This filter stands out for its ultra-slim design and 18-layer multi-coating, which significantly reduces glare and enhances color contrast. Made with Japanese AGC optical glass, it delivers excellent image quality, ensuring that your photos maintain their natural colors while reducing unwanted reflections. The design is sleek and practical, with a 5.3mm ultra-slim frame that minimizes the risk of vignetting on wide-angle lenses. The CNC non-slip frame also makes it easy to install and remove. While it's not water-resistant, the included cleaning cloth helps maintain the lens in top condition. In terms of performance, this filter is a step up from more budget-friendly options, offering better clarity and contrast, especially for landscape and outdoor photography. This filter is perfect for intermediate and advanced photographers who need reliable performance without venturing into premium price ranges. While it's not the cheapest option, its quality justifies the investment. Pros include excellent image quality and an ultra-slim design, while cons are the lack of water resistance and slightly higher price point compared to basic options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.